In this video, I am going to show you how to add pages to your site. The three tabs up in the top right are Insert, Pages, and Themes. So you're going to click on Pages. I don't have any pages yet, but we're going to add one. Just come down here to the plus. It says Add Page. I'm going to do this for social studies, so I could have projects as a page. Click Done. If you wanted to duplicate that, make a copy, you have options. Just click the three bullet points here. You can make home page, make it a copy, add a sub page. Pretty easy to work with. So if we made a copy, I think I would just name it projects again, or maybe projects for third hour, something like that. Click done, and now we have different projects just in case you're teaching two different classes. So that is how you add pages to your Google site.